sometimes I na in pursue. So any some of our politicians it should be on more. Emwa or mine a canco. Na eno na Progressive People's Party. Oko kan yes ye wako support we and I wako kan support we. No, it's not about that. Yen kan no crunch down for. Na ani ade reality no. Yen nyina ye ni tua. But what they make on say. No, utie in some baby free any sani akwa ni baby aba be sia. Kan sam ba ko na akere wo. Na sa suban no so no emwa o man. Say obi pese oya ade na e ka say me na me ye. Me. The issue about self. Me no. And I say yeah party no. It doesn't help the nation. Can the Japan small kan yeah you didn't connect here coach nyina no. Utie beginning na. O say ono obeka de ebeboa Ghana. Enye NPP asem, enye NDC asem. Yes, I know starting as more kind. And why is he saying that?
And no better time for.
That is it. Because as some man now can. Number one, NDC government part 1, which is the John Dramani Mahama 2012. Anna Omudi that vision aba. And I said that vision was even there.
Yeah, well,
Anna, he started the construction. Why Drew baby? Me, I won't even argue about the 30%, 1% in the idea. Because if you go into it, you realize you drew about 50%. It was clear. Now we get a government. At the end of the year, within a space of 4 years, why 50%? 2016 up to 2024, 8 years. NPP are so by no or call home. Now, baby, as someone yeah, this one boy NPP near say the period they took it is 8 years, and in 8 years they had also constructed certain hospitals. Agenda 111 Omanye bi so Omanye bi but agenda 111 no crane it was just about 3-4 years. They were able to complete a year juma. And what about to such a big infrastructure and as a facility say a complete here a juma de be bad is a be funny at the end of now ujan honum make us ujan one as in say bia onya you but the percentage as you added no when to me and complete now the fra ben mu a one more that is where the point is. It is not about we 45% and 98. We want the thing to be 100% complete. Asema ye ken ani abre ka chechiri mu nyina se koba say ade hospital no juma nobody would have mentioned Afari. At the hospital say organ Afari nkwa na enye wiye. Enya Afari nkwa, but at the end of the day it was not complete in the 8 years that you rule. Enti di asem na ye ka whether or not sikano na yetua e ka only $500,000 enti was en community minister so enti you person chair and say the amount of money now, $3 million now, more can once within the 3 years or 2 years of your government, now never call you. No moon says can't be found completely. And money 100% ana.
500,000.
That is the point. Inti di na yenti mi an complete ade no. And I want to can Japan some ba. Because go church mo abek untimi nkan cha me say 8 years no. NPP aban na nko ho. Kufa do man nko ho kra.
No.
It is never true. Because Mahama Ekono na 98%. If you obi na add it up, money drew 98 na ye can. But at the end of the day, if it was 98, now it's like 2%. You could have completed it before you left government. It is a uja oko. Now obi suba. Now they say almost so ya bedru 2 years. This is 2026 near me. Still, sa 2% na can. Almost ntimi fans so I was say yes, children near catcher almost say downful baby. I'm also at the end of the MYN. And it's $500,000 na car. You fans also. So don't say code details are. Say the we documents EPA. I've read some of these documents. Delays are akko. Na government was a scanner back or man fan call. Sunny money in an wine fort. Is it not the same government I can once in here?
The best time will be sad we answer because that's the same thing.
And I make sure say a nipa ni su ne ne ban a wo mo de tia edibu o man no enye eye me ana nyame na me yesi ana sa nyame na me kofa baaye ana nyame sa suban na NPP NDC na mwa o man kekere enti se yeni brese ye ade a yemi yeni nkon na yen media and other political parties yen nyina yama ya no nkon na ade na wo se ye no ye emanite yen safri ho se awie peye na de fasodi e bre o man no simple na fi obi koka ho asem sisi na o fire mo kakra bi a na mo bu afu say na o ye party ba ana ade no kan sem o kan na nya no kre ana fa check na den fact check o truth check o whatever it is at the end of the day the thing was not completed. What needs to be done is to be completed. Na ye nyina ye hunu sade no ya ye ni ye am oman no you are enjoying it period. Say now wasem o kan na nya no kre na we mu free mu no na ye why 40 and na why 50 and ye be ye nti ye bi kan. Yes, agreed, but was it complete? And could you have completed it? And answer there be one yet one complete and then say abe the edri I feel matter say kind na dey ko gina ada yando be gina ha o riri say snake you. I mean all these things are not necessary. Oko kan yes boy.
So this is it.
What does it do?
I say this is one of the latest on Troy. I say so yes, dated July 2024, copy to your good self. That is to the finance ministry and then the defense and then finance ministry. I say the clause, I say in accordance with contract sub clause 14.7, timing of payment, which states that, which states that if the contractor does not receive payment in accordance with the sub clause 14.7, timing of payment, the contractor shall be entitled, listen, who sign contract, shall be entitled to receive a financing charge compounded monthly. A financing charge compounded monthly on the amount unpaid during the period of delay, unless otherwise stated in the particular conditions. These financing charges shall be calculated at the annual rate of 3% point above the discount rate of the central bank in the country of the currency of payment, and shall be paid in such currency. Enti wonu akosan contract now say metua oka and a clause him say when tua na wo say charges bi ho a we dem enti say edi 2 months kra no a edi 1 year, expect that in your books wo aban no books mo de watchro mu no contractor no so different thing to produce, because ono be calculate the interest one as a charges wo ho kema na e bia unto the make kan ase nti what we should have in mind is that
the more it
delays, delay sika no ya be throw your books mu say aban kase na do no contractor no so be reasons or be document to produce that this is the contract nti we should also vie. That is our point. Yen wie ntem na yen tie nsafiro na contractor no nyini sika no nko, because that why dey so e ka gu yeso. This is clause a work contract na contractor no dey adwuma no. It is a wutua no antua ne ntem. You will state ebia $17 million. Say no agree say wutua sika na nkontem a expect that you pay financing charges.
Na some are working. The document in your sign.
Omo sign no no.
So say oh private business will it go this way? I said no. Now we no be be can against you na obofu.
O me grade enya say ka against obi. So this is it. In fact, aban we nso so no sa contract we na contractor ni kita aban your first arrangement ya koso. Until you still have this document. Until any delay be a bebe bia no ehun charges e wo ho interest so tie ye kra no obema a friend say 3% point above the central bank ɛdeɛ wɔ ɛnɛ yɛ sɛ so calculate it. What's the meaning delays baby?
Baby, I didn't free Aisha.
I mean, that is not my interest.
Okay, me interest is a baby, almost per communion. In fact, what did I say? I was here, be. So, some year, you can, me, and your factor, mammy, deal. The minimum